Federal workforce fallout continues, and many of our neighbors waking up this morning without jobs. The Office of Personnel Management gave federal agencies until 8 p.m. last night to issue layoffs, according to CBS News. Jess Arnold has been on top of this story. She's got the latest developments, and she joins us now in studio. And Jess, this is the Trump administration's latest efforts to shrink the federal government.
That's right, Wisdom, with layoffs seemingly coming daily, even late at night and on weekends, taking so many of the federal workers that I've spoken with off guard. Now, we talked about USAID cuts, the FAA, the Department of Education, and so many more. In their first joint interview, President Trump and Elon Musk defended these cuts on Fox News last night.
All we're really trying to do here is restore the will of the people through the president.
He gets it done. He's a leader.
Hours before last night's 8 p.m. layoff deadline, a federal judge in D.C. denied a request from 14 Democrat-led states to block Musk's Department of Government Efficiency from accessing data systems and firing workers at 7 government agencies. The judge called DOJ's actions, quote unquote, unpredictable, and said she couldn't restrain the work without, quote, clear evidence of imminent irreparable harm, saying that the media reports presented were not sufficient enough evidence. So for now, the layoffs of thousands of people who live and work here in the DMV are allowed to continue. But they are not going down without a fight. Daily protests continue. On Tuesday, crowds protested outside of the Centers for Disease Control and Prevention, which is one of the latest agencies to be hit by thousands of job cuts. New hires and workers who were recently promoted have been impacted the most by these layoffs. Now, however, just as quickly as these terminations have rolled out, the government is trying to reverse course on some. Last night, the Department of Agriculture shared that it's trying to rehire people who were accidentally fired, specifically veterinarians and animal health technicians who are working to prevent the spread of bird flu. Wisdom.
All right, Jess Arnold staying on top of this story for us. Thank you very much for the update.